Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix iPhone call no sound problem. There are a few steps which may help you to fix this problem. So we will go step by step. Go to your settings. Now, first step is you need to check if your Bluetooth is connected to any device. Sometimes if your Bluetooth is connected to any device, the ringtone won't play at your phone. Instead, it will be playing at the device that your Bluetooth is connected to. Here you can see that I am not connected to any Bluetooth. Now, another step is to go on the option sounds and haptics. Make sure the ringtone and alert sound is full volume. Right now you can see that mine is in the middle. Now if you want to increase, all you need to do is tap on that option and bring it to the right side. After that, next step is to check whether your sound is in full mode or in low mode. Make sure your sound is always on the full mode. And even after this, if you are facing the problem, then you can simply restart your phone and it may help you to fix the sound problem while calling on your iPhone. And these are some of the steps to fix iPhone call no sound problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.